I wanted to give you a brief overview of the kits that we offer for fixing tube cleaning machines, for fixing flexible shafts, and as well as kits for resurfacing your condenser tubes. So what we have here are kits for fixing pretty much any tube cleaning machine that we make, from the 4, 5, 6 and the Ram Pro. And what they come with are all the wearable parts that are in the machine. You have a drive shaft, you have the lower bearing, you have the upper bearing, you have seals, you have the snap ring. So it's really just all those parts that might wear over time. And what this does is give you the ability to, if a machine goes down while you're on the job, an older one that you're using, and it starts to leak, the job's not done. You can have one of these kits handy, you can change out the parts in them relatively quickly, and be up and running again pretty fast. There's a kit for the Ram 5, and this one also comes with all the gears that are at the bottom of the machine, as well as replacement parts for the trigger and the gun. Kit for the Ram Pro and kit for the Ram 6, and all of them come with instructions with pictures on them so that you can get an idea of what order to replace things in. It makes it pretty simple. Over here we've got a repair kit that's used for the flexible shafts, and this gives you a crimping tool so you can fix the ends of the cables. You can either replace the drive end that goes into the machine or the brush end where you're screwing the brush on, and it comes with 4 for each side, so you can again fix the shaft 4 times before you'd have to buy any replacement pieces for it. It also comes with a shaft lubricator and a couple of bottles of lubricant, and what that does is allow you to blow all the water out of the cable when you're done with the job, and it coats it with a cutting oil so it won't corrode over time if you're not doing a job again for a while. And lastly, I wanted to show you this kit, which is one that we make for resurfacing tube sheets. So if you really want to get your tubes looking good again, it comes with all the tools so that you can kind of clean up the face of the tube sheet first, and then it has an epoxy and a hardener that you just basically paint on, and it'll cover about 40 square feet, so you can get a lot out of it. So I hope these help. Thanks very much.